I was looking for fabric for stockings and then I saw this shirt and I love it so much. I had an idea to create a little pillow from it. Look at this cute face. I think that will be perfect with my red pillows beside. So first what I'm gonna do is actually to find the center, and then we're gonna fold it in half. I want to make sure the edges is matching, so make sure the corners are matching and underarm as well. Then I'll take a ruler, and with a ruler I'm gonna mark the straight line up here, and I'm gonna mark the line straight on the sides because we want to make a straight lines and not curved. After I mark with my erasable pen, I'm just gonna cut it right a quarter from the line I marked. I love to upcycle clothes as this t-shirt. As you see, I was looking for actually fabric for stockings and I did find it, and I will attach the video right in the link below with the pattern if you need one. And here is our little teeny tiny pillow. It's ready, so now we just need to remove these cover stitches. So what you do, you can pull couple steps and then you pull the thread. If it's hard for you to pull, then you can just cut 2 threads and then pull it very easily. Next, we're gonna turn to the wrong side and we have to sew all around. So I'm gonna serge first the corners and all around, and then I'm gonna top stitch it with a sewing machine. I will leave a little space so we're gonna be able to turn to the right side and add stuffing. So let's serge it and good to go. I will add a top stitch after that because sometimes the serger is not strong enough to keep the seam together, and then after that we can pull everything and turn to the right side. To fill the pillow with the stuffing, I'm gonna use this brand kids stuffing. I bought it from Joann, and then we're just gonna fill first the corners and then the pillow alone. So our pillow is almost done. We just need to close this little opening here, and we're gonna do with a needle and thread, and we're just gonna pinch it one side and other side, and that's how we are closing the seam. So here it is, our Christmas pillow. It looks so cute and I love it how it came out. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Merry Christmas!